Hello! In this video I will set up Canon inkjet printer to the Wi-Fi network. I will show the following in this video, and I use the Easy Connect method using Canon PRINT App to connect the printer to the Wi-Fi. Press and hold the Wi-Fi connect button for 3 seconds and release. You should find the printer hotspot called Canon inkjet. Download the Canon Print App to the mobile device. Follow the next steps in the video to correctly set up the printer to Wi-Fi network. Some of the steps may take longer than shown in the video. The printer has been connected and registered to the Canon Print App. From the main menu, you can print documents, print photos. With multifunctionals, you can scan or take a smartphone copy of the document. In the last part of the video, I will use Canon Print App to print from the mobile. If you tap the printer icon, then you get to the printer utilities. And I always recommend to check getting the most out of your printer manuals, where you find a lot of ideas how you can use your printer and also find about supported software. And that would be all in this video. Find more videos about printers on my channel. There are lots of Wi-Fi tutorials, product reviews, and other useful installations and setups available. Feel free to comment or like the video if you found it useful. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!